Gambling and Nobel Prize for Physics. The Nobel Prize for Physics in 2022 made big headlines because it acknowledged that the universe is not locally real. Please check Popular Talk. If the universe isn't real, then what is it? In short, no worries, we'll make it easy. It is about some statistical inequality, named after Bell, of properties measurements of so-called entangled particles, which are a particle pair with strongly correlated properties at any time, any distance apart, in any measurement. More details later. First, let's explore weirdness of statistical inequalities on an interesting gambling example, which seems to violate understanding of our world, but the explanation shows it is real, even for a common person. For example, Warren Buffett, see below. If allow numbers besides 1 to 6 usual range on a dice, then for this specific set of dice, purple die beats red die with probability 5 of 9. Beat means getting a bigger number when rolled. Red die beats green die with probability 5 of 9. Green die beats purple die with probability 5 of 9. For whatever dice first player picks, second player can always pick a stronger dice of the remaining 2 to win with probability 5/9. Warren Buffett once attempted to win this game of dice with Bill Gates. If denotes statistical strength of a die over another with greater than sign, for the winning probability, we get these inequalities. Purple greater than red more than green greater than purple. That violates our intuition, as purple greater than purple and both purple greater than red and red more than purple. And last Nobel Prize was awarded for a very similar to such gambling case inequalities violation by statistics. Now, to the entangled, forever, correlated, particles. Let's unveil the mystery surrounding this concept, which is widely misunderstood, or misinterpreted. Conundrum literally lies in forever. Let's show that Einstein was right in more than just doubting spooky action at a distance. Problem and solution to it lies in here. Once entangled particles are created/related, each particle properties never change, unless by some brute force applied to any of the particle, but then they are not entangled anymore. Let's exclude so-called oscillating particles, neutrino, for example, which change their properties periodically and unpredictably, because such particles could not be entangled. Now to the entangled particles, why their properties are fixed forever. Proof comes from the discovered by Einstein time dilation. Time flow is not absolute whenever, it might slow down or speed up somewhere, sometime, outside in space and inside objects or particles. Relativistic time dilation. Time slows down in moving objects, for example, in accelerated particles. Gravitational time dilation. Time slows down near massive objects, for example near the Earth time flows slower by around 1/billionth rate than away from it. If entangled particles' properties are not forever fixed, then if one of the particles flies/pass near the Earth, and another flies far away from the Earth, and later we try to measure their properties at the same time, then it is likely that properties are not correlated anymore, because first particle lived less time, due to time dilation near the Earth, than another particle. You might object, we should not use external for particles' time, to decide on when to measure at the same time, but should use internal time of the particles. But then again, if one of the particles on its trajectory to the measurement site was accelerated, even temporarily, then it lived less by internal time, due to relativistic time dilation, than the non-accelerated particle from the pair. We have just proved that particles cannot be measured at the same time, because there is no the same time. Thus, their properties are not correlated anymore at the measurement point. Universe is full of time discrepancies, with even more cases than relativistic and gravitational. Time dilation debunks dark science, dark matter, dark energy, black holes, An event horizon, expansion of the universe and its Big Bang. Check details in my free ebook Time Matters in PDF, at Amazon or Google.